Craving something creamy, chocolatey, and irresistibly delicious? These Oreo Mousse Dessert Cups are the perfect treat for any occasion. These Oreo Mousse Dessert Cups are a dream come true for Oreo lovers. Simple, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. Layers of crushed Oreos, fluffy Oreo, whipped cream mousse, silky chocolate ganache, and a final touch of half an Oreo biscuit on top. This no-bake dessert is super easy to make and looks stunning in individual cups. Cook for, you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for, you presents Oreo Mousse Dessert Cups. Watch till the end for plating and decorating ideas. Perfect for parties, birthdays, or just a quick sweet fix. Let's get begin. Step 1. Preparing Oreo crumbs. Take 8 to 10 Oreo biscuits. Grind it. Divide in 2 portions. 1 portion for mousse and another for Oreo base. Step 2. Whipping the cream. Take 1 cup whipping cream. Check the cream consistency. Keep checking the consistency. Do not overwhip. This is the perfect consistency. Step 3. Preparing Oreo mousse. Pour whipped cream in bowl. Add Oreo crumbs in batches. Combine well. Oreo mousse is ready. Take a piping bag. Pour Oreo mousse. Pipe it. Step 4. Preparing chocolate topping. Take 100 grams of milk chocolate. Add 15 milliliters milk or cream. Microwave for 30 seconds. Mix well. Chocolate topping is ready. Step 5. Preparing Oreo base. Add 1 teaspoon butter in the second portion of Oreo crumbs. Combine well. Oreo base is ready. Step 6. Layerings. Add 1 tablespoon Oreo base in each cup. press it with another cup. Now piping Oreo mousse. Then refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes. Pour chocolate topping. Tilt it so it covers all sides. Repeat the same procedure for other cups. Place half of Oreo on top. Refrigerate for 1 hour. I'm placing chocolate spoon, it's totally optional. Do try this super delicious Oreo Mousse Dessert Cup recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment your favourite no-bake dessert, subscribe for more quick and easy dessert videos. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.